The gaming community is abuzz with discussions and mounting excitement about the next-generation Nintendo Switch 2. As rumors swirl, industry experts and insiders are shedding light on what fans can expect, from the console's potential release timeline to its marketing approach and cutting-edge hardware specifications. Here's a closer look at the available information. When could the Nintendo Switch 2 be unveiled? Renowned gaming insider Nate the Hate, a prominent voice in the Nintendo leak community, suggests that Nintendo may unveil the Switch 2 as soon as late January or early February 2025. This prediction aligns with Nintendo's pattern for significant hardware announcements. For example, the original Switch was revealed in January 2017 during an investor presentation, a move that allowed Nintendo to generate significant hype ahead of its official launch. While specific dates remain speculative, the late January or early February window could capitalize on the post-holiday gaming market buzz, giving Nintendo a strategic edge in building momentum for the new console. Nintendo's potential marketing strategy. Nintendo has always been known for innovative and fan-centric marketing strategies. With the Nintendo Switch 2, the company is expected to host a dedicated reveal event, similar to the Nintendo Direct-style presentations. This format allows for a more immersive unveiling experience, combining gameplay footage, developer insights, and hardware showcases. Given the competition in the gaming market, Switch 2's marketing campaign could highlight its unique features, improved hardware capabilities, and a lineup of exclusive titles. Nintendo may also use this opportunity to re-establish its dominance in the hybrid console market, particularly against competitors like Sony and Microsoft. A significant event dedicated to the Switch 2 is rumored to take place in May 2024. This standalone event, similar to the one held for the original Switch, would serve as a platform for Nintendo to showcase the console's capabilities, unveil its launch lineup, and potentially offer hands-on demos. The event could coincide with a major gaming convention like PAX East, further amplifying its impact. Launch window and production. Industry reports suggest a late May or early June 2024 launch window for the Nintendo Switch 2. This timeframe aligns with development timelines shared by various game studios working on titles for the new console. To tackle the ongoing issue of product scalping and ensure fair access for gamers worldwide, Nintendo is taking a proactive and ambitious approach with the anticipated launch of the Nintendo Switch 2. Reports indicate that the company plans to roll out a staggering 6 to 8 million units for day one production. This unprecedented production goal underscores Nintendo's dedication to addressing high consumer demand from the outset. By committing to such a massive initial supply, Nintendo aims to minimize the impact of scalpers who typically capitalize on limited stock to resell at inflated prices. The strategy not only reflects the company's awareness of past consumer frustrations, but also aligns with its broader mission of creating accessible gaming experiences. Industry analysts suggest that this move could set a new standard for hardware launches, potentially influencing competitors to adopt similar high-volume production models. Nintendo's confidence in the success of the Switch 2 is evident. The significant investment in resources and logistics required for this scale of production demonstrates their belief in the console's widespread appeal and the strong momentum built by its predecessor. With such an aggressive launch plan, Nintendo is setting the stage for what could be one of the most impactful console releases in gaming history. Conclusion. While official confirmation is still awaited, the mounting evidence suggests that the Nintendo Switch 2 is on the horizon. The potential reveal in early 2024 and the subsequent launch in late spring or early summer 2024 have generated significant excitement among gamers. As more information emerges, we will continue to provide updates on the Nintendo Switch 2. Stay tuned for further developments and official announcements from Nintendo.